Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock a Verizon phone so that you can use it with any other carrier in 2026. So first of all, it's important to know that Verizon phones are not permanently locked. Most of the devices purchased from Verizon are automatically locked for the first 60 days after the activation. This policy helps prevent fraud and device theft. Once the 60-day period passes, Verizon automatically unlocks the phone. In most of the cases, you don't even need to request anything manually. Now, you need to check if your phone is already unlocked. So, the simple way to test it is by inserting a SIM card from another carrier. If the phone connects to a new network and allow the calls or the data, the device is already unlocked. If you see a message saying SIM card is not supported, it means that the phone still is locked. Now, if your device is still within the 60-day lock period, the only thing that you usually need to do is to wait. After the 60 days have passed, Verizon's system should automatically remove the network lock from the device. So this happens in the background, so most of the users don't even notice when it is unlocked. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.